Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to give you my thoughts with the Galaxy S20 Ultra. I've been using it for about 4 days, 3 nights now, so yeah, you can call it my 4 days, 3 night video review, impressions, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I've been using it as my daily device. I put down my Pixel 4 XL for it, so I'm just want to give you my impressions of the device. I did an unboxing, but I really didn't go over the phone, and so this video I will let y'all my thoughts on the phone and everything else. I have been enjoying the phone. It has been really good. Everything seems really great except for the cameras, what I'm gonna touch on in a little bit. First thing I want to talk about this beautiful display, the 6.9 inch, they call it their O Infinity display. It's super AMOLED and it's just gorgeous. Watching videos on here on 2K is great. I know people are complaining about being only 120 hertz refresh rate or screen when it's only on 1080p. To me, that's not a big deal if you want the 60 hertz and you can put it in 2K. But the display, Samsung is known for their displays and it's gorgeous. I mean, just look at it. Now, the front is made out of Gorilla Glass 6. I think the back is 5, if I'm not mistaken. Y'all correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. But look at the back. I know people complain about the camera hump. I don't know, do y'all like it or not? Y'all let me know in the comments. It feels really good. Yes, it is a little big coming from the Pixel 4 XL, but it's no taller than the Note 10 Plus was, and it's actually not as wide as the Note 10 either. To me, overall, I think the build quality is really good. I wish they used the matte finish on the glass, but it is what it is. It does attract fingerprints. It is a fingerprint magnet. I know some people on Twitter loves that word. Also, the Snapdragon 865 processor in the phone runs smooth. I've been putting it to the test, using it every day, playing some games. I haven't done a gaming video, but I have been playing some games on it. I have no problems playing any games that I've been playing on it. Battery life, I've been getting between 7 to 7.5, a little bit over 7.5 one day of screen on time. But the main thing to me, I can take the phone off the charger, say at 6 o'clock in the morning, and I really don't have to charge it until probably 12 or 11 o'clock at night. Even if I don't want it to, I might be able to go all through the night and just charge it in the morning. I might try that one day, but so I've been getting about 7 to 7.5. Maybe the first day I had it, it was pretty bad, but it was still getting learn my routines. One thing I want to talk about routines, the Bixby routines. I don't use Bixby. I don't know why they even have it on there, but it still has Bixby. So if you want to use Bixby, you can. I don't use Bixby at all. The overall UI is pretty good. The only thing I have complaints about is the icons. They look childish. They look worse than LG. No, I haven't themed my Samsung device yet. I haven't themed it out. I haven't changed the icons. So yeah, they still kind of wacky. But y'all let me know how this video look and how do I sound, because I am shooting this with the Galaxy S20 Ultra as I'm doing this. This road is bumpy, so if it's a little shaky, I apologize, but y'all let me know how it looks. That car was on my side. But y'all definitely let me know. Oh, the vulture's trying to eat a bird or eat something. Who knows what they're trying to eat? Probably dead deer or something. But overall, the UI is great. It doesn't lag. It's really smooth. I like the hertz on the refresh rate on the screen. Look, the light changed green like a couple seconds ago, and the guy still hasn't turned. Look, come on, Texas. Come on, dude, go. It's Texas. You drive fast. Also, the next thing I want to talk about is overall being a phone. Being a phone is great. I mean, the texts are really good. Also, listening on the speakerphone sounds great. My daughter can actually hear me. She actually made a comment the other day. She was like, "Do you get a new phone?" And I'm like, "Yes. You know, I got the Galaxy." And she goes, "Well, you sound better than what your old phone was." And she was talking about the Pixel 4 XL, which is sad though, but she actually noticed it. She said I sound better. I was clearer. I didn't sound like I was underwater, which is kind of disappointing for my Pixel. Also, the speaker on here, the dual speaker or stereo speaker, really sounds good when you're watching video and YouTube videos and Netflix and listening to music if you don't have headphones in. You know, if you don't have headphones plugged in. Let's talk about the headphones next. Yes, it does not have a headphone jack, but it does come with AKG headphones, and they sound really good. I never have a problem with the headphones that come in the box with Samsung. At least they put headphones in there, and now you can say you have a Type-C headphones. Alright, so let's get into what everybody wants to complain about the most about this phone, and I can't blame them because you're paying $1,400. Everything should work out great for you, and if it don't, then you should have a complaint. But the complaint is about the cameras on the phone. To me, I see some focus on, yes, I've seen videos on it. People are having problems with it. The main time I have issues with focus on is when I'm trying to shoot with the 108 megapixel lens. Yes, you do have some focus on. It does take a little bit longer to focus and autofocus on whatever you're trying to shoot. So that could be a problem. I mean, Samsung already talked about having updates sent. I'm still waiting on mine to see if I get any updates. I did 4K video in low light and regular sunlight, and to me it looked great. But y'all let me know. I'm gonna have the links in the description of that video if y'all want to check it out. But everybody is talking smack about the cameras, and it is what it is. I mean, if you don't like the cameras, then return the phone. But I'm not gonna put down the phone while I'm reviewing it and trying to use it because I'm in the reviewing process. If the update comes, great. If it doesn't, I might still have the phone. I'm not gonna return it. I'm gonna just hold on to it and wait for the updates. If they never come, then I'm out, I guess. I just sell it to somebody and get my money as much as I can for it. But y'all let me know what y'all think about the cameras. Yes, it's a $1,400 phone. The camera should be right out the box. No, I'm kidding. The phone released yesterday when I'm making this video. So today's Saturday. The phone was just officially released Friday. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. The next thing I want to talk about is the price, because people always talk about the price. The price, is it worth it? Should you buy it? Should you upgrade? Oh my God, you hear on Twitter. Sometimes I just want to mute everybody that I'm friends with on Twitter, but it is what it is. All right, so let me tell you how I feel about the price. If you think the phone is worth it, then the phone is worth it. If you don't think it is, then I can't tell you that it is, or I can't tell you that it's not towards your pocketbook. To me, yes, it is worth the money that I'm buying for it. I like it. It has all kind of features on this phone. I know the cameras will be improved. So to me, it's worth it. Now, is the price too damn high? In the same boat, I'm going to say yes. And people, I'm going to get lip for that too, but it is priced too damn high. Every damn phone we buy these days are priced too damn high. And then the other question I get a lot of, even from people I know at work, should you upgrade if you have a Galaxy S10 Plus or a Note 10 Plus? And I'm going to say no. No way. No, I mean, that's like going from the iPhone XS Max to the iPhone 11 Pro Max. No, you shouldn't update. It's not that big of a change to update from the S10 Plus or the Note 10 Plus. Now, in that same breath, though, if you're a junkie, if you like cell phones, if you have a cell phone addiction like most of us do that will watch this video, then I'm going to tell you, yes, upgrade. It's up to you. But, I mean, if you have an S10 Plus, no, you don't need the S20 Ultra, because the S10 Plus is a great phone. And you can get it cheap, too, right now. You know, but that's like saying no, if you have a 2019 Ford Mustang, should you get the new 2020 Mustang? No, but people still do it. You know, so people will upgrade, but in my opinion, should you upgrade if you have the whatever S10 Plus? No. Or the Note 10 Plus? No, you shouldn't upgrade. Okay? I said it out there. You shouldn't upgrade. But if you want to, then go for it. If you need the latest and greatest, if you need the new toy, then go for it. But it's your pocketbook. I can't tell you how you're going to spend your money. This video is about 11 minutes long, a little bit longer than what I wanted to make it, but I just want to give you my thoughts and update on the thing. Also, the fingerprint scanner does work better. Face ID is kind of iffy sometimes. I think I just have to redo it. I think when I set it up, the lights wasn't the greatest, so I'm going to have to redo my Face ID. But the fingerprint scanner is definitely better than what it was on the S10 Plus. But y'all let me know what type of videos y'all want to see. Let me know what y'all thought about this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.